Hmm. Wow. What a life. Hah? Emang dia kena cekala. Mau. Ngam Jumat.
Selesai. We are in Lakiso. This is the hometown of or home village of Gigi Swell, Professor Gigi Swell.
Teaches well.
Yes, he is a former MP of Shnong. He is very popular in politics and areas of the Meghalaya since 1972. He is the freedom fighter for Meghalaya to get the Meghalaya statehood in the year 1972, along with some other leaders like Bibi Lindo, Princeton Lindo, Captain William Sangma. He was born and brought up in this village. Now there's a museum in which his younger sister set up a museum for him here in this village only. So what to do, we are not going there because we have come only for
She'll walk.
official walk. This time maybe if we have spare time, then we can visit in that museum also and see what's the collection has been stored out there. And we are about 20 kilometers from here, maybe approximate to Shella, towards Shella.
Approaching.
And this is how the road.
The road condition is good, but very small.
Small.
Small and cute.
Yeah, this up to this village Lakinsau, the road is very good. But after that, from Lakinsau towards Shella Bholaganj, very
condition
bad.
is very bad.
Oh, good. Thank you for the information.
I will show you when we reach there.
Stay tuned. What a wonderful place, man. So, Shana, what's our way but for? Oh, Toto. Okay. It's a road on the way to Shella Bholaganj.
So, Mosto and Lakinsau. This, as you have seen, that white,
Yeah, that one.
white part, that is the limestone.
Limestone.
Yes.
Oh, kadang limestone mo to?
Yes. And that is the Shella River.
Wow. See guys. Oh, what a road. Look,
There's a Bangladesh.
Bangladesh area you can see. kani ka wa ayu lah ni.
This is Shella Bholaganj.
What about the road condition here?
Some part is good, but majority are
Sharp turn and small road.
road is very narrow.
Narrow, I mean to say.
There's no nala, no bridge.
No right turn or left turn.
If the trucks,
U-turn, there is no U-turn. Cannot turn.
if the trucks come here, will get stuck.
Stuck.
If it's come from the opposite direction,
When video is on, then Marvin get more energy.
To talk and everything. So. Oh, what a life. What a place. Now you can see limestone mine. Limestone. Oh. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
No, cannot see. Sorry for that. But stay tuned. Okay, it's limestone. Ta.
it's like
Different look.
There is one movie, na that. What is that? There's one movie, Avatar. Avatar, na? Just like that. Like we are in another planet. We are in new planet actually, not on Earth. We are on Mars. Shella Bholaganj, yes. Shella Bholaganj and road also only in Shella Bholaganj.
This is Shella Bholaganj.
You will get many things, good things, but road also good road. Only Shella Bholaganj, yeah. Maybe you know the name, just comment on the comment section.
Tree is going on rock.
Yeah, trees going on rock, you are right. That is Shella Bholaganj rocks, with the 3 rocks. Only stone road.
this is how the Shella Bholaganj.
Cape Bridge. Cape Bridge.
Yes, yeah. And from here they supply it to Bangladesh. When it converts from rupees to Bangladesh, rupees, they earn so much.
Ini your par, private par best lah. Table hall, community hall, nice.
This is rock and this is tree.
Yeah, this is
Tree.
not showing clearly.
Video.
Yeah, video only. Yeah, see, this is rock.
This is rock.
This is
and
tree.
tree.
Rock tree.
Rock tree. Rock on a tree.
In Shella Bholaganj. Okay, thank you. Come. Oh, come on, that's a good view.
It's good.
And here you will see the driver, the experienced drivers. Wow, professional driver.
Assam driver.
Now he is a Shella Bholaganj. He is a Shella Bholaganj. Come on, guys, please subscribe.
Like and
Like and share for our Shella Bholaganj drivers. Okay. Yeah.
It's about like almost 300 feet.
Feet. Yeah. Okay. Come and see by your own naked eyes.
More than 300 I think.
More than 300. Oh. Whoa.
Let's take a look close up when we
Yeah. Stay tuned. You don't have to Please keep watching, okay? Come on, Shella Bholaganj. With the drop Shella Bholaganj truck. Now, here it comes. What a paradise! Huh? Right, sir? What a paradise! Por favor, guys. Come on, yeah, it's enough. Yeah? Oh, there we'll get a good view, huh?
Keep it.
Yeah, sure. Hello. Por favor. Come on. Wah. Can one more. Huh? Wow. What a life. Yes.
I want to pick that, yeah.
No.